Hi guys, I'm Marie Mangalili from for BRB 15. So for today's vlog is going to be a really interesting and meaningful, especially for those who want to understand how people recover from substance use and behavioral challenges. So we're going to talk about the therapeutic community, or TC in short. So this is not just a program, it's a way of life that transforms people and gives them a second chance. So if you're curious about how communities can heal people, so keep watching. So let's start. So what is a therapeutic community? A therapeutic community is a structured group living environment where people help each other to recover instead of only depending on doctors, counselors, or rehab staff. The members themselves become each other's support system. For example, imagine a place where people who struggled with drug that used to live together. Every day they share responsibilities like cooking, cleaning, attending group sessions, and in the process they learn the discipline or teamwork and responsibility. So the healing doesn't come from medicine alone, but from the daily experience of living and working as a community. So let's talk about the objectives of TCMP. The Therapeutic Community Modality Program, or TCMP in short, has very clear objectives. For example, achieve a drug-free and crime-free lifestyle. Members are guided to stay away from their old bad habits, promote personal growth and discipline, simple tasks like being on time or completing course teach, self-control, and to reveal core values, honesty, respect, hard work values, often forgotten in addiction are restored. So, prepare for reintegration, in other words, helping members go back to society as productive, law-abiding citizens. To make this concrete, think of someone who used to skip school or work because of drugs. In therapeutic community, they slowly regain discipline by sticking to routines, learning skills, and being responsible again. So, philosophy. What is the philosophy of TC? The philosophy of TC, or therapeutic community, is very simple but powerful. People can change. The community itself becomes becomes the teacher. Every interaction, whether it's sharing a meal, getting feedback, or taking responsibility, becomes part of the treatment. The idea is that recovery is not just about avoiding drugs or crime. Um, it's about changing your lifestyle, your attitude, your values. For example, let's talk about if someone used to lie to cover mistakes. In the project community, they're encouraged to admit their errors. Instead of being punished harshly, they got constructive feedback from peers. Over time, honesty becomes a habit. So, silent features of TC. So let's talk about the silent features of theological community. Uh, so, uh, like peer and support, pressure in the outside world. Peers may pressure someone to do drugs, but in the practical community, peer pressure works the other way. So the members push each other to do good. Structured routine every day is scheduled, like wake up, exercise, work duties, group meetings. This removes chaos and builds discipline, like a role modeling. Senior members who have progress become leaders, guiding the newer ones by example, feedback, and confrontation. If someone makes a mistake, others call it out respectfully. So this teaches a accountability. Learning responsibility, everyone has roles, whether cooking meals, cleaning, or leading activities. This creates ownership. and responsibility. To illustrate, imagine a new member arriving at first. They might resist following rules, but as they goes by they see others working hard, being respectful, and getting praise. Slowly, they will adapt and they will be motivated by the group cultures. So, what is the conclusion of therapeutic community? So, So, therapeutic community is not just about stopping bad habits, it's about building a new life by living in a structured, supportive environment. People learn discipline, responsibility, honesty, and respect. It proves that recovery is possible when people work together. Healing happens in community, not in isolation. So that's all for today's guys. I hope you learned something valuable about the therapeutic community. Thank you.